to jumpstart a car. Wait because you let the light on, to can't ignition, or your battery old, most car owner will be faced with added battery sooner or later. Fortunately, if it are not a functional car nearby, or if you have a manual transmission, you can jumpstart a car and won't move again soon. Jumping at battery. Open a car or locate the battery. On most car, it will be near the front of the car on the right or left side, but on some car the battery located near the firewall between engine and passenger compartment. In some car the battery located in trunk. Even sure, check your car manual for location of the battery. Identify the positive and negative terminal. The positive terminal will be marked with a plus in plus, and will usually have a red cable attached on it. The negative terminal will be marked with a minus sign, and will usually have a black cable attached to it. Parked working car near, but not touching, the disabled car. Parked car in such at distance between both car battery as small possible. Turn off engine, radio, light, a bar oblique C, fan and allote electrical component. Make sure to allow the tinier of int disabled car, to. Don't let the car touch all. If the car are touching, jumping at the battery can cause a dangerous electrical arc between the vehicle. Put on safety gear, goggle and glove, if you have it. Inspect battery for crack, leak or damage. If you find of the thing, don't jumpstart the car. Call a tow truck instead or replace the battery. It may be necessary to remove the disabled automobile battery cable from the battery terminal and clean both cables and terminal. Use a stiff wire brush to remove all corrosion. Reconnect the cable to the battery terminal and jump the car. Remove E positive plus, repost protective cover if applicable. Entangle en une wire your jump cable. Like your battery. Your jump cable will probably have red and black cables and will have heavy duty clamp to connect to the battery terminal. You must make sure that red and black of your jump cable never touch the once they are connected to the battery, permitting them to do so can result sur you are seen en bar oblique or damage to an or both car. Connect the jump cable in order described below. Connect on red clamp to the positive plus, terminal of the dead battery. Connect to the red clamp to the positive plus, terminal of the good battery. Connect on black clamp to the negative, terminal of the good battery. Connect to the black clamp to a piece of grounded metal on the dead car, preferably the bolt or orthotic negative cable from the battery connect to the chassis. If it is no practical, look for shiny metal, no painted or rolly, tie attached to engine. Usually a new, bolt or rote protruding shiny metal will work. You must a small spark when you connect to a ground. A last resort, you may connect to the negative, post of the dead battery, but there is a key getting hydrogen gas coming off the battery. Make sure none of the cables are dangling out engine compartment, or they could be exposed to moving parts. Start working car. Let it idle for a few minutes. Don't rest engine, but rest engine a little above idle for 30 to 60 seconds. You don't need to charge the battery in dead car, because the starter in the dead car will draw most of the required current, well in excess of 100, from the battery. No through the cable. Common rotate jump cables are no built to pass the required. Charging at dead battery a must. If 30 seconds and do it, try charging for the full 60 seconds by keeping engine a high idle. A good, clean connection between the battery cables and the battery terminal is essential. Try to start disabled vehicle. If it do no start, shut engine off and disconnect the last connection temporarily will you slightly twist or wiggle off the fork clamp to help ensure a good electrical connection. Restart working car again. Allow a note 5 minutes for charging before attempting to start disabled vehicle. If it do no work after a battery, you may need to have the car towed or the battery replaced. removed jmp cables on cette carstar. Doti int reverse oft ord in which tev rattached, en don let en I oft cables or clan touché ot, or d'anglinto tangine compartment. Disconnect te black clan from grounded metalont did car. Disconnect te black clan from te negative, terminal oft good battery. Disconnect trade clan from te positive plus, terminal oft good battery. Disconnect trade clan from te positive plus, terminal oft did battery. Replace en I positive plus, repost protecti coverif applicable. Te the coverel provant accidental short circuiting te battery. Keep te recently disabled car engine running. Run te car above idle, slightly revedu with your foot on te ga, for 5 minutes antenne on or above idle for 20 minutes before turning it off. Should give te battery en new charge to start car again. If it do no, you probably have added battery or adding alternator.